Hello children, in this mathematics video we are going to study the exercise 10.1. Already this we learned in the Zoom class. In the notebook and for the exam how we have to explain and write, like that I am going to explain in this video. See, this is chapter 10. Topic is division sum. In this only the exercise 10.1, the A section is share the following equally. Share the following equally. The things are given, no, we have to share it to what it's given. And write the division facts. In short way, we wrote like this already. But in the note, you have to write in a brief way. Okay, now I'll explain this in the classwork note. You see 6 carrots among 3 rabbits. 6 carrots among 3 rabbits. For 3 rabbits, this 6 carrots we are going to distribute. Okay, after distributing, each rabbit how many it got, that only now I am going to explain how we have to distribute equally, how we have to share or regroup. Okay, same thing I wrote here also, question, the topic also, share the following equally and write the division facts. Here see, number 1, 6 carrots among how many rabbits? 3 rabbits. While taking video, if I draw, no, it will take time. So that only before I explain this one, I drawn this simple way. Then only you can also draw it. Now 3 rabbits. How many rabbits we are going to distribute? 3 rabbits. What we are going to distribute? 6 carrots. Okay, start drawing the carrot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finished? So each rabbit got how many? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carrots. 3 rabbits. 1, 2, 3 rabbits. Each rabbit got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So what is the answer? This is the division facts. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Okay. Next question you see in the book. 14 toffees in 2 packets. 14 toffees in 2 packets. Now that also I will explain. Okay. 14 toffees in 2 packets. Here it's like a packet, guess it. Okay, 14 toffees we are going to equally, we are going to group it. Okay, toffees means chocolate also we can take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, we grouped equally. 14 came. We'll count it together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 are there. Each packet how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In this packet 7. In this packet how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means 14 divided by how many packets? 2 packets. Each packet gets 7. Like this only we have to share the following. We are sharing. First we are sharing. Okay, 2 packets we shared. Then we wrote the answer. Here also the 3 rabbit we shared the carrots. Then we wrote the answer. The division facts. You are right. Next in the book what is given? 20 sticks in 4 bundles. We are going to bundle it with the rope. They will bundle, no? Like that. See, it's like a rope I drawn. 20 sticks. 4 bundles we are going to share it now. Okay. 1 stick, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The 20 sticks bundling. Okay, in 4 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4 bundles, 20 sticks. Now, each bundle, how many are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, writing the division facts. They wrote, no, share it and write the division facts. Now, we are going to write the division facts. First, 20 sticks divided by how many bundles? 4 bundles means each bundle gets 5. 4 5s are 20 or 5 4s are 20. In 20, how many times 4 there? 5 times 4. 5 times 4. Now next you see 16 mangoes in 4 baskets. 4 baskets, 16 mangoes we are going to distribute. Okay, in the note also see the question. 16 mangoes in 4 basket. Already I drawn the 4 baskets. It looks like basket or cup or whatever. But why I have drawn like this means it will be easy you to draw. Okay, 16 mangoes. Now we'll share it. 1 mango, 2 mango, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16 mangoes in 4 baskets. That means you write 16 divided by 4 is equal to, now each basket how many are there? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So 4. Okay, 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 4 4s are 16. In the tables 4 4s are 16. The next question from the book. 9 roses in 3 bunches. 9 roses in 3 bunches. See, for a bunches they'll have the tying rope like that. Now 9 roses in 3 bunches we are going to share it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 3 bunches, 9 flower we shared now. Now write the division facts. 9 divided by 3. Now each bunches how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 3 is a 9. Now next to see 18 buttons in 6 pouches. 6 pouches. Same question here. 18 buttons in 6 pouches. It's like a pouch. Okay. Just imagine. Okay. 18 buttons. We'll share the 18 buttons for the 6 pouch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, now we'll write the division facts. 18 divided by what number? How many pouches? 6 pouches. Each pouch how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means 3. Each pouch got 3. 18 divided by 6 equal to 3. That means 3 6 are 18 or 6 3s are 18. Okay, next in exercise 10.1, the B section B, divide by repeated subtraction. Divide by repeated subtraction. It's given, the question is given 10 pens among 5 boys. We are not going to regroup it, just we are going to subtract, divide by subtraction. How we have to do, I'll show it in the note. See, divide by repeated subtraction. Got it? 10 pens among 5 boys. That means 10 divided by 5 is equal to how many? Okay. Now we'll write 10 minus, subtraction means minus, no? 10 minus 5 is equal to, 10 minus 5 how many? Already we learned, no? Divide now. Okay children, 18 govas among 6 children. 18 divided by 6, that means 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6. Okay, we'll do how many lines we have put? 18 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many are to minus? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write 12 here. Now bring the 12 down. Now minus with the 6. 12. Here 12 lines are there, no? 12 lines. Now minus again 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we minus. How many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left over. Now what number you have to bring it down? 6. What we have minus? What number? 6. 6 minus 6? 0. How many times now 6 is in 18? 18 divided by 6 equal to how many times 6 are there? How many times we minused? 18 with the 6, 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Understand? The what we are subtracting, that to differentiate, we'll put like a box like this way. You use scale and neatly do it. Okay, the next question, the last one. 25 needles among 5 tailors. Now see here, 25 divided by 5 means we don't know the answer. So 25 minus 5 is 20. Now bring that 20 down. Minus 5. 5 means 15. Bring that 15 down. 15 minus 5. It will be easy, you all know the 5 minusing 5. Now 10 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. How many times 5 here? Now we minus with the 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. That means 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 5 5s are 25. Understand, children? Like this way only you have to subtract. Division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Understand? Yes. Then this C and D already we finished doing. So this you do it in a book itself. Only these things I want you to write it in the note clearly. The photo clip also I'll send it. Okay, thank you children.